Hi, Mike. I won't be able to come home tonight.
What?
Not for sure yet, but it's very likely. Didn't you tell me you guys were wrapping up early because of the possible snowstorm? We were supposed to, but one of our major clients had serious system trouble. We can't just leave them to it. Ah, that's the hard part of being a system engineer, isn't it? That's happened to me before. Ah, that time when the hurricane hit. We can handle it remotely from the office, but I can't say when we'll be able to solve it. I'll go home if I can, but if not, I'll stay at the office. I wanted to let you know. Understood. Could you do the laundry? I can, but do I need to do it now? I'll fold them when I get home. Okay. Please wash the chef coat I left in the kitchen too.
Do you have a chef's coat here?
I bought it because they're more versatile than aprons. I wanted to wash it before wearing it, but I didn't put it in the laundry basket after opening the package. Okay, I got it. So you've been working remotely from home all day, and your schedule hasn't changed? Nope, I'm still working. Ah, that's right. I thought you were on your lunch break. I'm sorry if I interrupted you. No problem. I'll be done soon. Ah, I see. I'll get back to work then. See ya. Hey, Mike? You're not at home? Where did you go in this heavy snow? What's going on in your backyard? The lady across the street called to tell me that a woman was lying in the snow in our yard. She called an ambulance and took care of her since we weren't home. I can't go home because of this heavy snow. I don't know where you are right now, but I wanted to let you know. Call me when you see this. Mike, you haven't come home yet? It looks like your phone's dead. We need to talk about the person who was rushed by ambulance from our yard. So please call me as soon as possible. You're in a bad position. Amy? What's going on? You sent me so many messages. Ambulance? What are you talking about? Our neighbor found you in the snow? What were you doing? Are you crazy? So which hospital are you in? I'm very confused. Huh? I'm still at work. And I don't think I should go home right now. What? So what are you talking about? I mean, someone found you in the snow and you were sent to the hospital. Did you read my messages carefully? So you're not in the hospital. Go back and reread them, word for word. Hey, so are you saying someone was found in our backyard? And this person was sent to the hospital? Well, you did it, right? What? You called me crazy without reading my messages carefully. It's no use making up for it now. Oh no, I misunderstood the content. Was that the only explanation? Did you forget what you did? Ah, well, we know who she is now, the woman who was buried in the snow. Her name is Kate. Kate? And I don't know her. Who is it? No. I thought she was you. Me? What? No, nothing. Well, it's too late now. What? How long do you think it's been since I got a call from the lady? Don't you think I've already done some research? What the hell? If you have something to say it more clearly. I know you were having affairs. Huh? And I said affairs with an S. Come on, Amy. Why would you say such a thing? Well, let me explain then. Yesterday, when you found out that I couldn't come home due to a heavy snowstorm, you texted Kate to come over. Kate said no, so you texted another girl to spend a night together. Probably because of the snow, you went to pick her up, and our house was temporarily unoccupied. As usual, you forgot to lock the front door, which was a big mistake. Oh. Then Kate arrived. She probably wanted to surprise you. The front door was open. She figured you were probably at home working, so she went inside without saying a word. Then she started cooking, wearing my chef coat in the kitchen. What? Hey, wait. Then you came home with the other girl. When you saw Kate in the kitchen, you thought I had come home earlier. You panicked because you thought I would find out about your affair. Without checking her face, you threw her out of the kitchen to the backyard where the snow began falling heavily. Was that Kate? You and the girl decided to go somewhere else and left Kate in the snow. This time, you did lock the door. I don't know where you went after that, but you've been with the other woman, haven't you? Well, what happened to Kate? She broke her leg when she was thrown out in the yard. Oh. You told her to be in the snow all night long. She couldn't stand up because of the pain. And the snow worked as soundproofing when she was shouting for help. Few people were outside due to the heavy snowstorm. Eventually, the lady across the street found Kate buried in the snow and called an ambulance. After that, she's alive, but she's in the hospital. Which hospital? Are you visiting her? I don't know. To be honest, I don't feel any sympathy for her. But I'm not so insensitive as to give information to the person who put her in the hospital. So, I won't tell you. I know, but you should be more worried about yourself. What? After all the trouble you caused, can't you at least think of the possibility that the police are working on it? Police? I don't know what happened after they asked me a few questions. Wait a minute. What's going to happen to me? I don't know. What do you mean you don't know? Don't you think you're a little cold in your own husband's crisis? You're so cold. Who do you think you are, having two lovers? Well, no, because I've already started looking for a divorce attorney. Divorce? Lawyer? That's a big deal. I'll repeat it. Who do you think you're talking to after having two unfaithful partners? Oh no, you're my true love. What? That's why I chose you as my wife, right? In other words, are you insinuating you already had relations with them when you married me? No, that's. I see. It's not like that. My frustration level is about to hit its limit. I'll talk to you through my lawyer. I'm sure we can sort this out. Who do you think you are? I mean, shut up. What? Bye. On the verge of an angry outburst, I ended the conversation. Soon after that, with the help of a lawyer and an agency, I collected evidence, filed for alimony, and finalized the divorce. The house was under his name, so I moved out. After that, it was over. Mike was confronted by his two partners. Mike blamed Kate for breaking into the house. Kate was angry at Mike for what he did to her. They were both trying to file a report to each other. Mike could not handle anything by himself and asked me to help him. I had to change my number so that he could no longer call me. I can't thank the lawyer enough for moving so quickly before I got involved.